Hi, Elaine here with WTI. These Commander Contractor bags have saved me a ton of work. I was super impressed by the strength of these Commander Contractor bags. I could barely drag them up the steps, but they didn't even show a hint of being at its maximum weight. I made a couple of trips and I just love the amount of things I was able to carry in these bags. They were on an average of 40 to 50 pounds each. Moving is a great time to clean out and streamline my clothing. I love that I could fill the bags right to the top, and my favorite part of the bag is the long tie handles that makes carrying them just so easy. So whether you're a contractor or you are doing garage cleanup or a big huge spill cleanup, or even like me doing a clothes clean out of the house, you will love these heavy duty bags. I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.